If you have lost the access of your account or forget the password of your account, then don't worry. Here's how you can recover your Remitly account. First, go to remitly.com and click on login. After logging in, you must need to remember the email address that you have registered with your account. Now, click on forget password from here. Now enter the email address that you have registered to your account. If you forget the email, you must need to get help from the support of Remitly. Then click on continue. Now you have to verify that you are requesting to recover your account or change the password from here. Then you just need to simply click on email me button. After that, you will get a confirmation code in your email address. You just need to check your mailbox. Then you will find an email from Remitly, and in that email you will get a 6-digit code. You just need to copy that code and enter that code in this box. After entering the correct code in this box, you will get redirected automatically to the password changing page where you can change your password. As you can see, I have just entered the wrong password, that's why it's showing me an error. But if you enter the correct passcode, then you will get redirected to the password change section or the tab where you can change the password. You can enter the new password, and you have just you just need to confirm that password, and you just need to click on done button to add that password to your account. That's how you can recover your Remitly account easily. Or if you are facing any type of difficulty more than this, you can contact the support of Remitly. You can contact with a Remitly representative and tell them about the problem that you are facing, and you request them to recover your Remitly account. If you get lost your access to your Remitly account, they will verify you and your identity according to your Remitly account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.